Management advocacy in Cotabato City, particularly in ADTM, involves community education, establishment of recycling facilities, regular cleanup drives, and stakeholder engagement. This initiative aims to foster a sustainable environment and promote community discipline in waste handling. Continued support and active participation are essential for the success of these advocacy efforts.